A landmark federal antitrust trial against Ticketmaster parent company Live Nation got underway this week with the first witness testifying today. The Justice Department, multiple state attorneys general, and Washington, D.C. in 2024 initially filed the suit against Ticketmaster and Live Nation. It alleges they've illegally dominated the live concert industry by monopolizing tickets, bookings, venues, and promotions. Today, a former CEO of the company behind the Barclays Center in Brooklyn testified that Ticketmaster retaliated against his venue after they switched to rival ticket seller SeatGeek. He said following the switch, the number of Barclays events advertised on Ticketmaster significantly diminished. Live Nation has denied it is a monopoly. Kenneth Dintzer was in the courtroom today and joins us now. He's an antitrust attorney at law firm Kroll and Mooring. Kenneth, thank you so much for being here. Right now, what do you take away from day one of the trial?
So today's the first day we had witnesses. Yesterday we had their opening statements. And these witnesses, both called by Department of Justice, said that they were warned or threatened that not to go with a rival from Ticketmaster.
What are the possible implications of this case? I know a lot of us buy ticket sales. We buy tickets online. A lot of us have been complaining that they're so expensive. There's all these fees attached. What implications are at the root of this case?
Well, DOJ says that Live Nation is using its power in promoting artists and presenting artists to keep Ticketmaster as a monopolist.
We got a microphone issue. Just hang on. All right, Kenneth, please continue.
To keep Ticketmaster as a monopolist, and so they say that it denies people choice. So they don't have as many options. The Ticketmaster doesn't work as well and sometimes goes down and frustrates everybody when they're trying to get a Taylor Swift ticket. And then on the...
You're talking from experience?
I actually was online trying to get those tickets. And it did go down.
You're a Swiftie.
Well, my daughter is, certainly. And then what Ticketmaster is saying is actually they were attacked by bots and that this really wasn't a display of sort of them not caring or trying, but that they just, they were fending off an attack.
What will you be watching for as this moves forward?
So we want to see the department able to show that Ticketmaster and Live Nation really do control the market, that they really are in a position where they can say, no, don't go with our competitor. And if the government can do that, then the next steps are relatively easy. But Ticketmaster, they've started talking about SeatGeek not being very good, the other rivals that they face in these different areas, and most importantly, how the artists make decisions, that they say the artists are driving the car.
Is that true?
Well, the artists get to pick the promoters, and there are options other than Live Nation. But Live Nation, according to DOJ, owns most of the amphitheaters. If you want to be in an amphitheater, according to DOJ, you have to go with Live Nation or you're not going to get access. And a lot of artists, they like the outdoor venues that amphitheaters provide.
Well, we will be following this. Please come back. Kenneth Dintzer, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.